Today, Orlando police announced that they've arrested 2 more teenagers after a drive-by shooting last week left 2 people dead, including a 6-year-old girl. So 4 people are now in custody. Only 1 is 18. The rest are younger than that. WESH 2's Marley Martinez joins us live in studio in our latest Saving Our Streets report. Marley, the newly appointed state attorney responded to these arrests this afternoon.
Yes, the state attorney for Orange County, Andrew Bain, released a statement today saying diversion is twofold and his office will take a tough stance on violent crime.
Your name, sir?
Ricky Bowery.
On Wednesday, 18-year-old Ricky Bowery appeared in court for the first time since last week's deadly drive-by shooting on Poppy Avenue, where a mother and daughter were shot in their home. The 6-year-old girl died. A 19-year-old man was also shot and killed.
Because you're arrested for the charge of first-degree murder with a firearm.
Bowery is now one of 4 teenagers that Orlando police have arrested on a first-degree homicide charge. The others, 2 17-year-olds and a 15-year-old. We're not naming them because of their age. On Wednesday afternoon, State Attorney Andrew Bain released a statement that reads in part, "Gang and gun violence in our community will not be tolerated and will be prosecuted to the fullest extent of the law. When the facts require resolutions outside the capacity of the Department of Juvenile Justice, State Attorney Bain will treat dangerous juveniles as adults." On Wednesday, I checked in with Ruben Saldana, the head of Orange County's Credible Messenger program. He runs Gloves Up, Guns Down to prevent kids from killing each other. And he says they need help.
Parents don't get involved until it's their child looking at the life sentence. Parents aren't getting involved until it's their child being toted out by that black limousine, right? And we need them to be involved now.
I mean, it's very troubling.
I also spoke with Antonio Cediel with Live Free USA. He advises communities on ways to reduce gun violence. He spent Wednesday pushing for Orange County to invest in community violence intervention, a program that Orlando recently bought into, where they focus on the people most likely to be shooters or get shot. The county's Violence Prevention Task Force recently recommended that the county do the same.
A lot of the violence goes across jurisdictions. So people come in from Pine Hills or other parts of the county, they shoot on the city side. We're working with people on the city side, but can't control the other side of the conflict.
Community leader Bishop Kelvin Colberis says at the end of the day, everyone is needed.
I think that the programs are working, but the programs are not enough. It takes the community, all of us, outside of programs. You can't throw money at gun violence and think it's going to stop. That's a part of it. But the next part of it is it takes community involvement.
This afternoon, I reached out to the county to check in on their plans for a CVI program. They're looking into it, and this is something I will continue to follow. Christina.